He's the one who gives me the budget, so we cannot have this grocery without this guy.
They're pricing locally.
What's this and this one? Ba't kaya pa iba-iba yung price? 195, 95, tapos yung 195. The rest is 340. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do grocery for the month of March. These are my grocery for the month of March. I think I paid 161 plus 70, maybe 250 or 300. It's hard to go. Anyway, so I have two juices. This one, I have these two juice. Pepsi, one marca. This one is pickled cucumber. I have apple, 1 kilo more, 175. That's the apple. I have mushroom. I have beans. I also have Turkish Delight candy. I have lemonade. I have apple cider vinegar. And this is for the shoes. When you put on the shoes, you put this one on the heel so that the shoes will just slip. So this is one marca. Chocolates for hubby. Chips for the kid. This one is choco banana for the kids. I have, he wants a cake. Crimpeta. I don't know what kind of cake is this. Dada is not here. Okay, take the chocolate. Chips for the kids. Here. Luncheon meat. Beef luncheon meat. And I have also chicken luncheon meat. This is just like 130 marca. And I have, what else? Sardines. 1 marca for hubby. Sardines. This is tuna. Tuna in can. And again, chicken pate. Because when we don't have, sometimes we're lazy to cook and we just want bread and chicken spread. So this one are chicken spread. Most of these are 1 marca 35, 1 marca 15. This one, another sardines. Another pate. Laurel leaf, 0.90 marca. Corn chips. Corn chips. This one. Meat later. This one is makba or.
Oh, you're trying so good.
This is like 15 pesos for almost 600 grams. This one. I have potato. Yeah, and these are meat. We'll just do meat later. Cereals for the kid. I think this is 215. I have this one, 1.95 napkin for me. This one, this crackers, salt cracker, mixture of salt cracker. Kitchen tissue, 2 rolls, 1.60. Oh, because this is, how do you call this, Dada? Slip-ons for the shoes, right? For marca. For husband. Toilet bowl cleaner, 265. And oh my god, I hit a big deal. Like a big deal. Like big deal. The Palmolive soap shampoo. This is 350 ml. I guess the second to the biggest one. 350 ml. You know how much this one? 1.90 or 1.85, and the regular price of this is 3.40.
No more, no touch, Stella.
Can it sees my head?
Yes, can this?
The regular price of this is 3.40, so I bought 3. So this is good for I think 8 months. Oh, this 3. So it's a big. This is the biggest I have found cheap ones. 3 of this, and then this one is for my conditioner, 6 marca. But this is 500 ml, so it's big. And 2 wet wipes, 1.75 for Stella. And what else? Okay, gloves, miscellaneous gloves. Yes, miscellaneous gloves, Stella. And this one is wet wipes for Mama. Can you put it in the? I'll be moving on the side. 2 bread. This is 1 point. How much do you want, Dave?
116, not
Oh, so 115.
I'm not sure.
So it's 150 like that. And this one is noodles. You can get your you can get the cake. Share it with the kids. And this one is the same as Nutella, like same as Nutella, taste as Nutella. Same brand, it's a Belgian brand, but this one is cheaper, 6.40. The Nutella is 11. So they are really same taste, same everything. No difference.
I don't know.
Yes, Dada. Put it better. And I bought rice, 1.85. This is 1 kilo, 1.85. So this one, I bought blueberry juice, 1 marca. 2 diaper for Stella, 10 marca. Yes! How do you call this? Salami slices? This is 260 for sandwiches. Lemon! The lemon is so cheap. Half kilo, this is only 1 marca. This one is spaghetti. And this one is fennel head for my salad. Yeah, penny pasta. And salami slices, 1. 2 chocolate Melieco for the kids, 0.50. Okay.
Don't touch it now.
2 crackers for my husband, it's 0.70. Oh, let me do this. Salami slices, 0.95. This one is pork sausages, 2 something, 240. These ones are yogurt, 0.60 each, and there are 4 pieces of this in 1 pack. And eggplant. The kilo of eggplant here is expensive. 450. That's almost like 150 per kilo. Or you want? Or you want? You can get the chocolate Melieco. And hot dogs for the kids. This one is I think 2 marca something plus. I bought egg noodles. I want to try. This is expensive, 260. And then hubby bought cheddar cheese, 300 grams for 344. And chicken slices. We're gonna make pizza. And peanuts. This is 1.70. How many grams? No, how many grams is this? And chia seeds for his breakfast. Chia milk, honey, and some strawberry. He's good to go for his breakfast. What else? Miscellaneous plastic for my meat. Olives for him. And he says he wants this, how do you call this one? Like mayonnaise something. Mustard. And I have, I should have not bought this because we bought the cheddar. Another burger, cheeseburger. And then, cream. I'm gonna make a float, like refrigerator cake. Cream. So this is 130 per 1 piece or 165. So that's it, guys. I know the meat. So this one is beef, 6.95. Oh, that's good. And I also bought chicken, thighs, chicken gizzard, That one. This one is beef. It's 11.95 per kilo, and this is 1 kilo. And this one is pork. Pork is so cheap, 6.50, and this is 600 grams. And I bought chicken wings. So I bought this also. It's on sale. This is a Zara Kids shoes for my little girl Layla. This is only 12 marca. The regular price is 30 euros. This one. And shirt, 1 marca. This also has a brand, so it's only 1 marca. I hit a big deal there. Pants, mango pants for kids. 3 marca.
Do you need help, Layla?
And then
Mama. Oh, no, sure.
this one for next winter. I already bought this one, 150. I bought a paper bag, 1 marca. And then I bought the cling wrap and a glove.
You have to sit here.
I guess that's it, guys. So these are my grocery haul for the month of March, and I think I overdo on my budget.
Of course you did.
Come here, Dada.
No, I don't want to be part of your budget. You budget me.
He's the one who gives me the budget, so we
Sorry,
cannot
Papa.
have this grocery without this guy. So we're thankful to him that we can still eat. So these are all 270, something like that, or 300 marca all in all for our guests. So thank you guys for watching. See you soon in my next video. Bye.
Soon.